Hi, this is Psychic-Medium Rosa. Sunday, February the 13th. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Gonna do this review on the Blue Bird Lenormand deck here. If you'd like to order this from me, I'm selling these decks also. So in the description below, there'll be a link to my page. You can click on to my Facebook page, send me a direct message, and you can place your order in direct message there. It's kind of cool, this deck. I just received it today, actually. So, I like the iridescent color box that it came here. I don't like to take off I just cut the plastic here to not to waste time here on the video here. So this is the first time that I'm looking at the deck now. I'm unveiling of the deck here. Some cards still in there. The Lenormand deck. And it's beautifully done. I just like that iridescent color that they gave the box. I don't believe the cards are iridescent, but this is the Lenormand deck here. I like the it's got a nice sheen to it. Cardstock seems good. First time that I open it. Ooh, number 7 card is, see here. They're out of, I guess the printer here, the person that printed these out might have gotten them out of the order. Let me see if I can put them in order here very quickly. Well, let's just look through them. Let's just look through them together here. What I like about these is that they have the pictures and everything, and then they have the card also, the card on the top. So you get to see the playing card here. You know, let's go with number 7, lucky number 7 of luck and desire here in the Lenormand deck. Card stock is fairly good. I like that. Feels nice, beautiful sheen to it, and even the other side. I'll probably even get to do the borders on this. I'm gonna either do a gold or actually a blue border here, a shiny blue border to these. This is the number 7, and this is the snake card here. Really nice. Well made. The details of the picture itself, very well printed, here. Let's see what else, what other cards in the deck here. Number 30, let's get 31 here. I like that it's the diamond card, and you can see it's the 31 card, and nice detail color throughout the card. Gives you the explanation on the sides here. The number 30 card, beautiful. Let's go into the detail here. And the lilies. Number 30 card here. The detailing of these, let me just put this on the side here. Very well detailed, giving all the descriptions for someone that wants to begin learning about, you know, the decks, the tarot decks and everything. These would be a nice little deck for you to have in the beginning. I just got them. I mean, I'm already over 28 years of, you know, reading tarot, and the psychic mediumship also involved, and I just wanted to get them because I just like having decks. Oh my god, I think I have over 60 decks of cards. All have a significance to me. They all have like an energy to them that I just like. I read the tarot and oracle cards all together. I can even read the playing cards. So if a person wants to also learn about the playing cards and how certain things correlate with some cards, it's pretty good to get this deck and to study it, learn it well, and that way you can if you find yourself that you don't have cards. That has happened to me before, that I traveled without my cards, and someone needed a reading. I wasn't expecting to do readings at that time, and I was able to do them with the playing cards. As long as you learn how to read the cards, you can read basically like any deck, playing cards. Some people have started with the playing cards. That's how they learned. I started with, the Rider-Waite tarot cards. That was my first deck. I still have my first deck. I don't have it with me right now, but because I'm traveling. But I'll be reunited with it soon enough. And I just could read any deck. It doesn't matter. Even if I don't know the deck, it becomes automatic. The other thing, when you have cards, right, I would also say use quartz crystals, like your satin spar, to cleanse them if you want to. I like to have my rose quartz. I have clear quartz, and that's why I have them out. I have my candle on also for the vibrational energy. So I'll make another video on cleansing the deck. If someone, again, if you want to order this deck, in the description below, you can reach out to me on Facebook and you can order this deck. I'm putting the review here on YouTube just because I like putting my reviews and everything now here, and also my predictions, forecast, daily forecast predictions and stuff like that. But this deck is really well made. I'm trying to put them together as I speak. I guess I know that one of my decks were open. Maybe this was the one that was also open at one point. Customs, likes to open up certain cards, so I ordered them. That it went through customs, and yeah, they opened the deck. I don't know why they did that, but hey, I mean, they're doing their job, so it's all right. I'm not too picky about what happened with the deck itself. Luckily that I had ordered cards for someone else also, a friend of mine, and her deck was not open, thank God. But my decks were open. Well, this one and the other one were open. But getting back to this deck is really, really beautiful. The pictures of them all are just wonderful. It connects with the cards. You're able to decipher them quickly, and as you get, as you connect with the cards, you start to even make more connections and predictions with the card itself too. So it's just like another another thing with these cards. When you order a card, you know, the cards, of course, you know, this is just paper, but as you go connecting with it, you start feeling an energy pattern with the cards and you, and the same way that you know, you shower, you bathe, you take care of yourself, you take care of your cards. They become part of you, of your personality, like your persona, you know. And that's what I really like about, you know, just connecting with the cards. And I'll have another video on that, of how to connect with the cards. If a person wants to, if you need a reading also, I do private readings. You can also contact me on Facebook. The link is in the description below this video. I'm just here trying to put cards together. I'm sorry. but yeah, there's, you know, you connect with the cards and you become basically one with the cards. So here they are, the Blue Bird Lenormand deck. In order: Cavalier, Clover, Ship, House, Tree, Clouds, Snake, Coffin, Flowers, Sith, Birch Rod, Bird's Child. Very beautifully made. The pictures are beautiful, and I love the back of the cards. Just simple, but they're really nice, very elegant. So if you're thinking about ordering this deck, again, description below, go to my Facebook link there and direct message me to order. I mean, these are so incredible. I'm so happy. I got so many decks, but this one I've been wanting to have for a while. I also have like the Gypsy Witch Tarot cards. I have like the same thing like this with the playing card and the description on the side, even though I don't need the description. But I like collecting decks, so. And beautifully made. It's wonderful. Beautiful cards here. They are really beautifully made, I have to say that. And the box is, I kind of wish they would have made the back of the cards also iridescent like that, but I like that. I'm gonna do the borders also on this one with that, with like a blue like this on the sides. I'm gonna have to go through it and I got them out of order here. Like I said, the card stock is pretty good. A good size also, fits in your hand. And they're the size of, like, I guess, like any playing cards also. Let me see if I can grab a pair of playing cards here. I have one. So yeah, for comparison size, I'm going to compare the regular deck of playing cards to these. And the Blue Bird Lenormand deck is a little bit bigger, not by much though. Not by much, a little bit wider and bigger, but it's not by much. It's not by much there. Psychic-Medium Rosa. It's my review here of the Blue Bird Lenormand deck. And again, if you would like to purchase these, just let me know. Direct message me. Description is in the link below. Much love and light to you all. If you were thinking about getting these, I have to say these are the ones to get. They're very beautifully done. The pictures are awesome, and the printing, the way they feel in the hand, and the shine to it, the shimmer, it's just really nice the way that these are made. Much love and light to Psychic-Medium Rosa, and I'll be leaving more reviews here